All right, everybody, back at it for the workshop project. I think we're going on maybe day 5. Got probably a total of maybe, I don't know, 30 hours in on this project. Today's Monday, July 29th. It's been raining all day. I've got light rain right now, so I'm going to go into this back wall up tonight. So got a couple hours to do that. I'm going to go ahead and get the studs cut off camera, and once I get that done, I'll start rolling some footage. All right, I got the studs cut for the back wall. Let's get this thing assembled and put up. All right, calling it a night. It is way past my bedtime, 10:15 at night. At least I got accomplished what I wanted. You can see in the back, I got the back wall done. Only wall left is this front one right here behind me. So giving a call at night, got everything cleaned up. Did stop raining a little bit. I was gonna get ready to stop there at about 8:30 because it was just raining, but then let up, and I'm like, let me get this finished and accomplish what I wanted to do for the night. So I got that done, and let me show you what I got. All right, here's the back wall that I just finished. I got it framed for a 32 by 80 door, so I got the rough opening in there. We got some power going to be coming in here. I'm going to run that all around here, at least workbench height here, and then this wall here, and then the wall behind me. And then this wall I don't plan on, because I got the door going out to the backyard here. I'm going to have just the standard height outlets right here, a couple of them right there. So I think I got this wall plumbed, and I think I got this wall pretty much plumbed too. I haven't mounted and anchored them down yet, so here's what I got. I just got this wall left to do. I think what I decided to do with the roof, I'm going to take this gutter off right here and tie the roof onto the existing roof here. Kind of bring this out a little bit and bring it up. I think that's my best option. And then it'll have just a tad bit of a slope on there, not much. So I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, back at it another day for the workshop, and it is Tuesday, July 30th. And as you can see, I got one more wall to put up. That's what I'm gonna do today. My plan is to get that up before it's time to call it quits for the night. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the studs cut off camera and get it laid out, and then we'll go from there. All right, I've got the studs all cut. I've got you can see it laying behind me. I've got the rough opening for a 3x2 window. So let's go ahead and get this nailed together. All right, I am calling it a night. I got the last wall up, ran out of the OSB board, so I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow and get some more of that to finish the wall up, but at least I got it up. I got all the walls plumbed, squared, secured. So here we are. So it might not be pretty, but I don't make a living doing this. I think so far I've got about $1,700 wrapped up in material, which isn't bad. If you have somebody probably come out and do it, you're going to be probably looking at about $8,000 to have this done. So, and that might not even be insulated. So, but anyways, I've got my mess all cleaned up. I'm gonna go get cleaned up, maybe get a bite to eat, It is 9:30 at night, so I'm going to be calling it a night and, like I said, get cleaned up and hitting the hay early morning for work. So we'll catch everybody on the next one.